Hello everyone, Milobytes here again for another toy review, and today we're going to take a look at the Figma Midoriya figure. So bago tayo magsimula, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, IG, and Twitter. This is a reissue. If tama pagkakalala ko, it was initially released last May or June 2017. And hindi ako nakakuha nung time na yon. And now na nagkaroon ng reissue, I was finally able to get my own piece. Meron ng mga ibang review nito out there sa I think both YouTube and Facebook meron kayong makikita ng review nito during its first release, and I just wanted to share my take on this figure. So bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang kayo i-remind na merong bootleg or knockoff version nito out in the market. Kaya if you're planning to get your hands on one, I would strongly recommend na kumuha lang kayo sa mga authorized stores, retailers, or dun sa mga credible na seller online, especially sa Facebook. Please be cautious when purchasing this figure. So, umpisa na natin yung review. First, tignan natin kung ano yung laman ng box. Ito yung standard na Figma manual. Then, ito naman yung lower part ng mask niya. If you watched the anime, meron siyang full face na mask. Pagsuot niya yung superhero costume niya. Wait lang, ayaw mag-focus ng camera ko. So, ayan. Ito naman yung dalawang alternate faces niya. Then, 2 sets ng alternate hands. Dalawang closed fists with holes. Dalawang open hands. At saka isang kamay. At saka yung isang kamay niya na pangpitik ng kulangot. So, next is yung resealable na plastic labo. Lahat ng Figma meron yan. Then the Figma Action Base, which is also a standard inclusion sa mga Figma figures. And finally, itong tulo-tulo na effects. Pwedeng gawing pawis, or pwede rin gawing luha, or kung talaga malikot ang utak mo, pwede ding ano. Now, doon sa figure mismo, I think it's the perfect version of Midoriya that you can get visually. Also, during the first release, kung nag-pre-order ka directly from Good Smile, you will receive an alternate head, yung ulo niya with his superhero costume on. So, ang complaint ko lang, since reissue na naman to, sana naman lang sinama nila yung full face mask sa package, since wala naman halos laman yung box. So, yung price point naman, I think medyo fair pa din, kahit medyo sunod-sunod na yung pagtaas ng price ng action figures over the last couple of years. And I think hindi naman nagkalayo yung presyo niya nung first released compared sa nitong nag-reissue na. So, moving on, check na natin yung figure, check natin yung articulation. Ito dito ako medyo disappoint.
Oh no!
Sobrang tagal na ng Figma, and sa sobrang dami na ng figures na nirelease nila. Pero marami pa rin figures ang may poor execution in terms of articulation. So, umpisa natin sa ulo. Ito yung ulo. Okay naman yung articulation niya, pero walang neck articulation. Next, yung shoulders. Medyo limited yung pag-angat ng shoulders niya dahil sa white rubber na nakaharang na part ng costume niya. Next, yung chest articulation. Actually, pwede ko pa siyang i-extend forward or backwards, pero for the sake of preserving the figure, hindi ko na isasagad. Waist articulation is good, pero pagdating sa legs, dito medyo hindi mo na siya i-bend backwards. And then forward to just this much. Knee articulation, limited din. Hanggang dito lang siya. Sa paa naman medyo okay. You can bend it forward and then backward that much. And then meron din toe bend, which is nice. So if you've watched the anime, you know na yung character mismo pulls off a lot of aerial and dynamic movements. So kung i-replicate mo yung mga poses using this figure, medyo magiging challenging siya. So gawin din natin siya ng size comparison. First, compare natin siya with the Figma Saitama figure. Then next is Mayfex John Wick, and lastly Dasin Kenshin Himura. So meron din akong review nung Dasin Kenshin Himura. If you want, you can also check it out. So to sum it up, visually it's very impressive. Accessories, sana sinama nila yung alternate head, yung articulation niya. Tapos yung price point, I would say if you're a hardcore fan and you're willing to collect multiple Midoriya figures, then why not? You can buy this figure. Pero if you're under a budget or looking for more poseability, then I would recommend that you also check out the McFarlane version. And there's also an upcoming Amazing Yamaguchi version ng Midoriya. So make sure you check that out first before making a decision. So in the coming weeks and months, meron pa akong mga naka-line up na ibang figures na parating. I will be doing a review of the 3A DLX Optimus Prime para sa mga fan din ng Transformers. So please watch out for that. I will also be reviewing the Figma Bakugo, kapartner nito. Hopefully dumating siya before end of January, so I can create a review before maging busy ulit. Sa ibang figures na meron ako na walang review, pinopost ko naman siya sa IG account ko at sa Facebook page. If you have questions on those figures, then you can ask me directly through whatever social media platform na meron ako. So please don't forget to like this video. Kung may comments, questions, or suggestions kayo, please leave a message in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon.